Hello students, today in this video we will solve the chapter comparing quantities problem number 2. Let's see the question. Kamala borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? So first, what are the data given here? Here, principal, how much she borrowed from bank? 26,400. So principal amount is rupees 26,400. Rate of interest is given 15% per annum. Time, you see, amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months. Time is 2 years 4 months. So 4 months you convert it into year. How many months in a year? We have 12 months in a year. So time will be 2:4 by 12 years. So 4 3 is 12. So we can cancel. So time is now 2 and 2:1 by 3 years. So first you find the amount for 2 years. Okay. First we will find the amount for 2 years. First we find amount at the end of 2 years. End of 2 years. So write down the formula. Amount principal into 1 plus rate of interest by 100 to the power time. Principal is rupees 26,400. 1 plus rate of interest is 15 by 100 to the power time. So first we will find the end of 2 years. So first you take 2 years time. Okay. Now we know 3 5 is 15. 25 is, or 3 5 is 15. 25 is 100. You cancel it here. Cancel the HCF between numerator and denominator. Okay. 3 5 is 15. 25 is 100. 26,400. Take LCM. Now denominator here 20, there 1. LCM will be 20. 20 by 1 is 20. 20 into 1, 20. 20 by 21, 1 into 3 is 3. 26,400. 20 plus 3, 23 by 20 square. Now 23 by 20 square, that means 23 by 20 into 23 by 20. So this 0 0 you cancel. In numerator we have 2 0, in denominator also we have 2 0, so we can cancel. Okay. Now this 2 by 2 you can cancel this one. 264 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. That means 2 into 132, 264. Again 2 into 2 6 is 12, 2 6 12. 2 into 66, 132. So how much we have now? How much we left? The number 23 into 23 into 66. So find the product. 23 into 23. 23 into 23. You do multiply. 3 3 is 9. 3 2 is 6. 6 4. 529 into 66. 6 9 54. 5 in hand. 6 to the 12 plus 5 is 17. 1 in hand. 5 6 30 plus 1 31. Again by 6, if you multiply you will get same digits. 4 11, 1 in hand, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 4, 3. How much we get? Rupees 34914. So this is the amount after 2 years. Okay, this one after 2 years. Now you see time is 2:1 by 3 years. You have to use simple interest formula for to find interest for 1 by 3 years. Okay, now amount at the end of 2 years is how much we get? 34,914. 34,914. So this will be now the principal for the next 1/3 years. Okay, now principal amount will be rupees 34,914. Use simple interest formula. Principal into rate of interest into time by 100. Principal amount now 34,914. Rate is 15%. Time we have how much? 1/3. We are finding interest for 1/3 years, 1 by 3 years. Okay, by 100. You can cancel this one. 3 5 is 15. You do multiply. 5 into 4 is 20. 2 in hand. 5 1 is 5 plus 2 7. 5 9 45. 4 in hand. 5 4 20 plus 4 24. 2 in hand. 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17. By how much is there? 100. If you divide by 100 is smallest 3-digit number. So if you divide a number by smallest 3-digit number, it becomes 2 decimal. Okay, always remember this one. If a number is divide by smallest 3-digit number, then it become only 2 decimal. Interest, simple interest for 1/3 years is how much? 1,745.70 rupees. Now we will find interest for 2 years. How much? Now interest, compound interest for 2 years. How much? Amount minus principal. Amount we get how much? After 2 years amount we get 34,914. Principal is how much? 26,400. Now you do subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. Next you see 4 is less than 6, so you carry 1 from here, so then it becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 2 minus 2 will be 0. So how much we get? Interest after 2 years, or we can write for 2 years. Interest after. Okay, after 2 years how much getting? 8,514. Interest for 1/3 years how much? 1,745.70. So now you find interest for 2 and or 2:1 by 3 years. Both the interest you add 8,514 interest after 2 years. Then interest for 1/3 years how much? 1,745.70. You add these two. 8,514, then 1,745.70. You add 9 5, 12, 1 in hand, 9 plus 1, 10. So how much we get? Rupees 10,259.70. So interest after, okay, not for. Interest after 2:1/3 years is how much? 10,259.70. Now we'll find how much amount she have to pay to clear the loan. So now we have to find amount. So amount is equal principal plus interest. Principal amount is rupees 26,000. How much? 400 plus total interest we get how much? 10,259.70. You add these two. 26,400 795 4 plus 2 6 plus 0 is 6 3 rupees 36,659.70. To clear the loan, she have to pay. Kamala have to pay how much? Rupees. Hence she have to pay 36,659.70 rupees. Hence Kamala have to pay rupees 36,659.70 to clear the loan. So this is your solution. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 3. Pavina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pay more interest and by how much? So first we'll find how much interest paid by Pavina. Okay, Pavina borrowed how much rupees? 12,500. So principal amount is rupees 12,500. Rate of interest is 12%. Time given 3 years at simple interest. So find simple interest. How much interest she paid? Simple interest formula you have got already in lower class. Principal amount is 12,500. Rate of interest is 12 times 3 by 100. This denominator 0 0 you cancel with this numerator 0 0. Okay, now find the product. Do multiply. 125 into 12. 2 5 is 10. 1 in hand. 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. 2 1 is 2. 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2. 1 1 is 1. 2 0. 5 plus 5 10. 1 in hand. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. 1. It's getting how much? 1500. 1500 into 3. 15 3 is we know. 15 into 3 45. So 1500 into 3 is 4,500. Okay. If you multiply 1500 with 3, then you will get 4,500. So how much pay? Pavina pay how much rupees? 4,500 as interest. Okay. Now you see, and Radha borrow the same amount. The same amount borrowed by Radha. Okay, same amount for the same time period. That means for 3 years at 10% per annum. Rate of interest given 10% for Radha. Okay, now for Radha. This one for Bhavina. So principal is same 12,500. Rate of interest also same. Sorry, rate of interest is not same. Rate of interest given 10% per annum. Time period same. Radha borrow same amount for the same time period. Time period is 3 years, so time will be same. Now first you find amount. How much amount? First you find amount formula. You write principal into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power time. Principal amount is 12,500. 1 plus rate is 10. Time is t. 0 0 you cancel. 12,500. 10 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 12,500. 11 by 10 to the power 3. That means 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Again this 0 0 you can cancel. This 2 0 is in denominator, this one is in numerator, so we can cancel. Okay, now you find the product of these three, then you divide by this 10. 125 into 11. First you do multiply. 125 into 11. 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 7 3 1. Again you multiply by 11. 1 5 7 3 1 5 7 3 1 5 7 plus 5 12. 10 plus 1 11. 1 in hand 4 5 1. Again you multiply by 11. How much we get? 1 5 1 2 5. 1 5 1 2 5. Again you multiply by the last 11. 1 5 is 5 2 1 5 1 5 2 1 5 1 5 7 3 6 6 1. How much we get? 1 6 6 3 7 5. If you divide by 10, then you will get 1 decimal. Okay, 16637.50. This is your amount. So now we find compound interest. Compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount we get how much? Rupees 16637.50. Principal is 12,500. You do subtract. 16637.50 12,500. 0 5 7 3 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 413 rupees 4137.50. This is your compound interest. Okay, when Radha borrow the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum, compound annually, at that time she pay interest how much? 4,137.50 rupees. So now you see the question, who pay more interest and by how much? Bhavina pay 4,500 and Radha pay 4,137.50 rupees. So who pay more? Bhavina, isn't it? This 4,500 is greater than 4,137.50. So Bhavina pay more. By how much? To know the amount, you have to do subtract from 4,500. You subtract 4,137.50. You carry 1, when it becomes 10. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here now 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. Here 4. 1 we carry, isn't it? 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. So how much pay more? Habina pay more by how much? By rupees 362.50. So this is your solution. So in this video we will solve this much only. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.